Dear students, today you are going to learn about a new topic, that is distance formula. Look at this. It is a quadratic plane where two axes are placed perpendicular to each other. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of two axes is the origin. It is denoted by O. The coordinates of point O is 0, 0. We denote the positive side of x-axis by x and negative side of x-axis by x dash, and positive side of y-axis by y and negative side of y-axis by y dash. Now let us take 2 points on the x-axis. Name it as A and B. Now write the coordinates of point A and point B. Point A is at a distance 3 units along the x-axis. So x coordinate of point A is 3 and point A is at a distance 0 units along the y-axis. So y coordinate is 0. So coordinates of point A is 3, 0. Point B is at a distance 7 units along the x-axis. So x coordinate is 7 and along the y-axis 0 units. So y coordinate is 0. Look at these 2 points. The y coordinates of these points is 0. So if the points lie on the x-axis, then y coordinate is 0. Let us find the distance AB. You can see here 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. So distance AB is equal to 4 units. Or you can subtract x coordinates to get the distance between the points A and B. By subtracting x coordinates of the 2 points, you will get the distance between the point A and B, because here y coordinate is 0. Now let us take 2 points on the y-axis. Name it as C and D. Now write the coordinates of the point C and D. The point C is at a distance 0 units along the x-axis, and point C, it is at a distance 2 units along the y-axis. 2 units along the y-axis, 0 units along the x-axis. So coordinates of point C is 0, 2. Let us write the coordinates of point D, that is 0, along the x-axis 0 units, along the y-axis it is at a distance 5 units. So coordinates are 0, 5. Now what is the distance between point C and D? That is distance CD is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 units. You can see here, that is 3 units. See, here y coordinates are 5 and 2. If you subtract the y coordinates, you will get the distance between the points. That is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 units, because here x coordinates are 0. If you want to find the distance between the points which lie on the y-axis, you have to subtract y coordinates. Now let us find the distance between the points. One of them will lie on the x-axis and another on the y-axis. Now find the distance between point A and C. That is distance AC. How will you find the distance AC? See here, the line AC makes a right triangle with x-axis and y-axis. See here, triangle AOC is a right triangle. In a right triangle AOC, AC is a hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is, AC square is equal to CO square plus OA square. Now what is distance CO? That is 2 units, that is 2 square. Now distance OA is equal to 3, so 3 square, that is 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. AC square is equal to 13, so AC is equal to square root of 13. So distance between the points A and C, that is distance AC is equal to root 13 units. In the same way, you can find distance between the points B and D. Line BD makes right triangle with x-axis and y-axis. That is, triangle DOB is a right triangle where DB is the hypotenuse. So in triangle DOB, square of the hypotenuse, that is DB square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is DO square plus OB square. What is the distance DO? That is OD. You can see here, that is 5 units. So 5 square plus distance OB is equal to 7 square. 5 square is 25 plus 7 square is 49. So 25 plus 49 is equal to 74. DB square is equal to 74. Therefore, DB is equal to square root of 74 units. In this way, we find the distance between the points which lie on the x-axis or y-axis. You can find the distance by applying Pythagoras theorem. Now, how to find the distance between the 2 points if they won't lie on the x-axis or y-axis? Let us take 2 points which do not lie on the axis. Name the points as A and B, A and B are the 2 points. Now, write the coordinates of point A. Write the distance along x-axis. Along x-axis, it is at a distance 3 units. So, x coordinate is 3. Along the y-axis, it is at a distance 2 units. So, y coordinate is 2. Along the y-axis, 2 units. Along the x-axis, 3 units. So, coordinates 3, 2. Now, write the coordinates of point B. Write the distance of the point B along x-axis. It is at a distance 6 units. So, 6, along the y-axis, it is at a distance 4 units. So, y coordinate is 4. So, coordinates of point B is 6, 4. Coordinates of point A is 3, 2. Now, let us find the distance AB. Distance between the points A and B. Now, this line doesn't intersect x-axis or y-axis. So, how to find the distance AB? To find the distance AB, make a right triangle with AB. See here. Now, right triangle is formed. Triangle ACB is a right triangle where angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and AB is the hypotenuse. Now, we want the length of the sides, that is, we want the length of AC and length of BC to find the length of AB, because AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now, how to find the length AC? See here, the line AC is parallel to x-axis. Line AC is parallel to x-axis. So, if you subtract the x coordinates, you will get the distance AC. That is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And distance BC, you can see there it is 2 units, or you can subtract y coordinates of point A and point B to get distance BC. That is, y coordinates are 4 and 2. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So, distance BC is equal to 2 units. If a line parallel to x-axis, you have to subtract the x coordinates. If the line parallel to y-axis, you have to subtract the y coordinates. So AC is equal to 3 units, BC is equal to 2 units. Now substitute in the Pythagoras formula, that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, that is 3 square plus 2 square is equal to 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Therefore, AB square is equal to 13. AB is equal to square root of 13 units. In this way, we find the distance between the points which do not lie on the axis. Now take 2 points. One is in the first quadrant and another one is in the third quadrant. Name it as A and B. Now, how to find the distance between the points A and B? First, write the coordinates of A and then write the coordinates of B. Now, point A is at a distance 2 units along the x-axis. It is on the negative side. So, x coordinate is minus 2. Distance is 2 units, but it is on the negative side, so minus 2. Distance along the y-axis is 3 units. It is on the negative side of y-axis, so coordinate is minus 3. But the distance of point A along the y-axis is 3 units. So coordinate is minus 3. Next, write the coordinates of point B. Point B is at a distance 5 units along the x-axis and 4 units along the y-axis. So coordinates of point B are 5, 4. Now let us find the distance between AB. That is distance AB. Now to find the distance AB, you have to make a right triangle with hypotenuse AB. You can draw triangle like this also, or you can draw triangle on the other side also. Now triangle ACB is a right triangle. What is the distance AC? Which is parallel to x-axis. So subtract the x coordinates. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC is parallel to x-axis. Subtract the x coordinates. That is 5 minus minus 2 or minus 2 minus 5. You will get 7 units. You can count there. The distance between A and C is 7 units. That is 5 minus minus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now distance BC. Line BC is parallel to y-axis. You can count there. That is also 7 units. Or you can subtract the y coordinates because BC is parallel to y-axis. Subtract the y coordinates of point A and B. That is 4 minus minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So AB square is equal to 7 square plus 7 square. That is 49 plus 49 is equal to 98. So AB is equal to square root of 98 units. In this way, we find the distance between the 2 points. Now, let us derive general formula to find the distance between the 2 points. Now we know that how to find the distance between the 2 points. Now let us generalize formula to find the distance between the 2 points. Now take any points. Name it as A and B. Let us write the coordinates of point A as x1, y1 and write the coordinates of point B as x2, y2. We are deriving general formula, so write the coordinates of point A as x1, y1, coordinates of point B as x2, y2. Now, you have to find the distance AB. Now, to find the distance AB, we have to draw a right triangle with hypotenuse AB. Now, right triangle is formed. Triangle ACB is a right triangle where angle ACB is 90 degree. AB is the hypotenuse. Now we have to find the distance AB. For that we need the length AC and length BC. Now point A is at a distance x1 along x-axis along x-axis. Point A is at a distance x1 and point B is at a distance x2 along x-axis because x coordinate of point B is x2. It means that it is at a distance x2 along x-axis. Now, y coordinate of point A is y1 and y coordinate of point B is y2. Now what is the distance AC here? See, distance OC is equal to x2, distance OA is equal to x1. So AC is equal to x2 minus x1. OC is equal to x2, OA is equal to x1. So AC is equal to x2 minus x1. Now y coordinate of point A is y1. So along the y-axis, point A is at a distance y1 units. Along y-axis, point A is at a distance y1 units, and point B is at a distance y2 along y-axis. That is, distance OB is equal to y2, distance OA is equal to y1. So what is distance BC? OB is equal to y2, OA is equal to y1. So BC is equal to y2 minus y1. So right there, BC is equal to y2 minus y1. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is, AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is known as distance formula. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By using this formula, we can find the distance between any 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. This is called distance formula.